Hi there. My name is Kristian Smith. I'm the director of the Adult Career Center at the Lorain County JVS. And today we're at A.J. Rose Manufacturing. They're a metal stamping plant in Avon, Ohio. And I'm going to talk to Nelson Rodriguez today about his career pathway into the maintenance position that he has and how it relates to the program that we're going to start in the spring. We are getting ready to start a supply chain automation service technician program at the Lorain County JVS through the Adult Career Center. And the goal of the program is really to prepare people in the kind of the automation maintenance side of things to work on electric motor controls and PLCs and hydraulics and pneumatics, and there's sensor controls in there. Another part of the program is also going to be some machining, some welding, OSHA credentials, OSHA certifications in the program. Could you talk a little bit about how some of those skills, how you use those skills?
I mean, we apply all those. That's an everyday thing. I mean, that is used day in and day out. And it's applied. I mean, to break it down with the classes and then come out here and apply it definitely gets you an understanding and makes you a better maintenance man out there.
So when you talk about some of the motor controls and the pneumatics and the hydraulics, what's an example of something that you might work on that uses the motor controls? I mean, you're a stamping plant, right? So you've got massive motors out there, right?
Yes.
And so when one breaks, what do you do with that?
So seed wave replacement, rebuild time, things like that. We got to get it up and going. Sometimes direct replacement, and sometimes there's not direct replacement where you have to get into programming side of things and actually have to say, well, the gearing or the speed is different. You have to slow that motor down where a belt would be running too fast. Then you have to get in the program side of things and actually slow that motor down so it doesn't overfeed the machine or underfeed the machine to get the cycle time back to where it needs to be. Awesome.
Do you know what the pay scale is, for somebody that just comes out of a class like this, what they might make and kind of what's their trajectory?
I think starting, it's right around 18, I think somewhere up towards $30 an hour to be in the field here. When I started here, I started around $12 an hour. I had zero skill. I had nothing, no school. And through time, I progressed and went through school and climbed through the categories up to where I'm at currently now.
Without the training that you had, I mean, where do you think you'd be now? I mean, would you be at the same level that you are now without the training, or do you think that is definitely?
The training is a must. I think experience, to get the training and go through the classes, it shows you that. It brings it right in front of you, to where here you would have to have a situation to actually have that happen and study that situation and learn that. So to be able to already have that under your belt, walk in and have that happen, you know what to do, and you don't have to wait for that to learn that at that time.
Yeah. Cool. Those skills that you have now, where do you think you could go with that? I mean, Anywhere, right? I mean, they're pretty transferable. And so if you were to give a piece of advice to a student going into a program like this, what would it be?
Keep going. Keep going as much as possible because it's so beneficial. The knowledge is power. I mean, out there knowing something, walking up, the time you spend, knowing exactly how something works is definitely something in your pocket.